Hi everyone and happy spring. My name is Brittany and I'm with New Mexico Ag in the Classroom. And today I am joined by Susan Schipull. She is located here at Wilson Middle School in Albuquerque, New Mexico. And she is the garden elective teacher for the middle school classes here on campus. And so she was lucky enough to go ahead and be one of our recipients of our New Mexico Grow Project back in 2020.
So Brittany was handing out flyers about it and we were like, oh yeah, we gotta apply for this. We gotta see if we can do this. And we really, really wanted the system. And you know what, it was so worth it. I'm so glad we spent the time. I'm glad that we, had Tracy and Brittany to lean on for that. And look at us now, Okay, so yeah, receiving the grant, I can't tell you how excited we were because this was going to be a whole new aspect to our program. And then when the materials came in, we looked at them and we were like, oh, that's really cool, but we don't really know what we're doing with it. So Brittany and Tracy provided training on a weekly basis, and it was all happening virtually, but they walked us through setting up the entire system. Everything from filling the tubs, hooking up the lighting, checking pH, getting set to put the plants in the water, the whole works. And it just made it all so simple, and just following their guidelines and stuff. We had our first crop growing in no time, and it was amazing. We were harvesting like within 4 weeks, I think. It was really fast that we got our first crop going. We were doing lettuce and some vegetables and stuff. So that was super helpful. They also provided some activities, some additional activities for us to work with the kids in terms of, different aspects of hydroponics. And we have a little hydroponics kit where the kids are doing peas and growing those. So just super training and super support all the way along. We have raised all kinds of herbs in here. They were just harvested last week, so it kind of looks a little ratty right now, but one thing I do remember Tracy telling us is she likes to see it like this because she knows things are being used. And so with this harvest, we took the herbs that we had over to Three Sisters Kitchen, and they are drying them, and they're going to be here at the school on Wednesday, and the kids are going to be comparing fresh to dried herbs, and they're going to be able to make a seasoning using some of these herbs that we've harvested, that we've grown here in our hydroponics. Okay, so the students are involved in every aspect of this. They fill the tubs with water. They have all learned how to start the plants in the rock wool, and they have, I think the biggest learning curve that we had was working on the pH and being able to get that at the proper pH level. The kids have learned how to increase or decrease the pH as needed, how to read the pH chart, and they've even started understanding that this has applications to things that they use every single day. Like they know that a Coke is an acid, and they know that dishwashing soap, for example, is a base. And so that's been a really cool learning experience for the kids. The kids help us with harvesting when we are ready to harvest. So we'll probably trim this all back one more time, and then we'll start a new set of crops in here. Okay. So the kids are helpful with that. They clean everything up, take it out, scrub it, and they're ready to go on the next round of crops. So what I would say to anybody who might be the least little bit hesitant, you don't know what you would be missing if you didn't apply for this grant. And if you got it, you and your kids are going to learn so much. It's been such a great learning and growing experience for myself, for the students, and for our garden. So please, please, please apply. It's so worth it.